Hey guys, it's JCM and I'm back here with another video, and today I'm making baked oven fried chicken legs. So without further ado, let's get started. I got like 6 chicken legs right here and everything, so I'm going to season them up. Yeah, we're just gonna put it in the egg mixture. Make sure you get it all coated. You see, they're all fully coated up and everything. You could see at an angle. And now, as you can see, hopefully you're not, but I have it at 375, and you're gonna put this on each side for 20 minutes. So once 20 minutes pass, you flip them over for another 20 minutes. So a total of 40 minutes cooking time. Cooking time for this. So I put that in that 375. Now I'm just gonna put this in the oven now. I made some ahead from this video, so I'm gonna show you guys that now. And it looks so crispy, nice and golden brown. So I'm gonna plate this up, and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right. Hey guys, so I plated it, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys now how it looks. Look at that. Get a close up of that. The nice and golden brown of that. Look, nice and golden brown. Wow. Guys, I know how this tastes already, because this is actually for dinner for my family. So I'm just gonna tell you how it tastes. And it tastes. You know what? I might just take a bite. You know, get the smallest chicken wing ever, right here, and do a crunch for you. This is good. This chicken is really good. But yeah, that chicken tastes really good. Like I said, it has a lot of flavor. You won't be disappointed with this recipe. Just follow this recipe. You know, breadcrumbs. I used just 1 egg for this because there's only 5 chicken legs, so 1 egg. And yeah, you just season it how I season it, and yeah, this will come out perfect. Remember, 375, but 20 minutes on each side. So 20 minutes on one side, you flip it over. 20 minutes on the other side. They're done. They're ready to be eaten. So, yeah, guys, this video is done and over with. And I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And again, yeah, just enjoy this video. And I'm out. Peace. See ya.